and welcome to the second and long awaited segment of Did You Know? Here's a list of top 5 banned food items from all around the world. First up, chewing gum is banned in Singapore. Singapore prohibits import and sale of chewing gum since 1992 onwards. This law makes it impossible for the locals to get any type of chewing gum. I'm not kidding. If you get a gum, you have to have a doctor's prescription. Socho. If you're found spitting gum, there's a fine of $500, approximately 32,000 Indian rupees का fine. Imagine the people in India who smoke और अपने मम्मी पापा को नहीं बताते. Chewing gum is mandatory. तो मतलब आतंक ही फैल गया. Next is samosa in Somalia. Samosa and garam chai in monsoon and winters is just the best combination. I mean, food-wise, obviously, बाकी सब भी बहुत कुछ होता है. If you're living in Somalia, this triangular snack is illegal. The triangular snack is banned in Somalia after country's Al-Shabaab group deemed it to be too Christian. मतलब खाने में भी religion कैसे आ गया? मतलब समोसा. Next up is tomato ketchup in France. Pizza, समोसा, पकोड़ा, ऑमलेट के साथ और हर चीज के साथ. Ironically, फ्रेंच फ्राइज के साथ टोमेटो केचप goes well with everything. But France में primary school and college cafeterias में it's banned. The reason behind is believing that it's threatening or masking the flavor of French cuisine. बेचारे बच्चे. Talking about बच्चे, Kinder eggs in the US. It is illegal to import Kinder eggs, the popular chocolate जिसके अंदर एक toy रहता है. That combination is banned in the United States. The FDA has banned it because there's a toy within an edible chocolate. I think the kids in US can be only that dumb to eat a plastic toy which is in the chocolate. I mean, whatever, man. Last but not the least is absinthe. Absinthe is one of the most popular drinks known to man. Like everyone has heard stories about absinthe and what it can do to you. It carries a mystery of air about it, a sense of sophistication which can only be achieved when you're drunk or shit-faced, and you can only understand it then. It has 85% ethanol, and that is the reason why it is banned. But my question is, okay, there are so many other toxic things in this world. Why are they not banned? Why just absinthe? Okay. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is it from me. If you know any other food items that are banned, let us know. जैसे मेरे घर पे करेला is banned. Anyway, bye-bye.